Hey, it's Lauren with Bargain Bead Box, and today we're going to take a look at the February 2025 Floral Fantasy Collection. I had a lot of fun putting this one together, and I'm really excited to talk about everything that went into it. So first of all, this is our main pendant. This is a lapis faceted teardrop with this fun, like, blossomy branch bail. So right away, this piece made me think of like a garden, but that deep blue is kind of magical. I love the gorgeous like pyrite shimmer you get on that lapis too. And every pendant is going to look a little bit different because this is a genuine gemstone. Now, I do think taking a look at it, even though it didn't necessarily indicate that on the package, I do believe that it might be color enhanced or dyed, so I made sure to mark that on your sheet. If I ever see, and a lot of times it's because it's a factory oversight, or they just don't mention it unless I specifically ask, and I'm usually good about specifically asking. But if it doesn't make it to the label, I type the sheet up myself. So on your sheet, let me just show you, on your sheet, it's gonna, if I suspect there's a treatment that isn't known on the label, I'm gonna write it there for you. So this I suspect has been dyed, which is completely normal and does not affect its value at all. That $7.99 estimated retail price on the package seems like a very fair estimate to me. All right. So it's gorgeous. Look at the faceting. It's a beautiful piece, and I love that floral bail. I just want to talk about why you might sometimes see differences between the sheet and the labels. All right, number 2 is our faceted crackle agate, and each strand is going to look a little bit unique just because this is a dyed and heated white agate, which will have some clear areas and some opaque areas. So you may see some like almost windows in the beads, and I think those add sort of to the magical look. You've got that nice dragon veins almost crackly pattern, which is really fun. And of course that deep indigo blue purple color, which again, they feel kind of magical to me. So this also, both of these pieces are approximately a $7.99 retail value. So I think that's already, by the time you throw in this strand, it's already the price of the box, which I always feel good about that. So this is also a dyed lapis, but this is a matte finish. And this one, the factory says is dyed, but again, when I got it, I wonder almost if they marked dyed on the wrong package. And because this factory is usually very good about disclosing, and these do not look dyed to me. You've got these natural white areas, so I'm not even sure that these are dyed, but if I'm not sure, if the factory says it's dyed, I'm always going to put dyed on the sheet too. I would rather be wrong about that than not disclose fully any treatments that have happened, because it's important to me that you know exactly what you're getting, and I'll be pessimistic instead of optimistic there. So this is a $7.99 retail value as well. All right, and then we get these fun mystic quartz nuggets, and I love these. They are electroplated and dyed. They are really fun. Every strand is going to be different. You've got these fun chunks. They look a little icy. They look a little, again, just sort of that magic feel. And I love the purple with the blues there. It just makes me happy. It's an $8.99 estimated retail value, which, again, I've seen pretty much this exact strand in craft stores for that price, so that makes sense to me. And I love, love, love the different natural crystalline structures, that rough nugget feel, and just mixed with that shiny purple color. It just makes me happy. Really like that strand. I could not resist those. So these agate beads and the lapis teardrop are the first pieces that I found. This was the next thing that I was like, yeah, gotta have that. I wanted to bring a little bit of the lighter blue in. So we also have these fun lab created synthetic hematite faceted beads with that metallic blue finish. I think it's fun. It's, again, you've got that multicolor iris look, which I enjoy. Just really bright and shiny, which I love. Basically, it's just like a crow over here collecting shiny rocks. That's what I do with my life. And that is about a $4.99 retail value. All right, next we have a 12-piece strand of faceted crystal ovals. I wanted to have some other larger beads because we do have some pretty significantly sized chunks on this quartz strand. And I liked the way these pull in both the blue and the purple. So that's why I picked those for our box this month. And that is about a $3.99 retail value. All right, and then the faceted triangles. I am obsessed with these sparkly faceted triangles, and based on the feedback I've received from the other months we've included, other month, I guess, we've included them, I feel like I'm not the only one. They're just such a fun, different shape, and the sparkle is absolutely incredible. I always like when you can have just a different design options. You've got some smaller sizes here. I like to have some 6mm, some 8, some larger, some smaller. And I just really, really love the sparkle of this particular shape of bead. Slightly obsessed. Those are a $5.99 estimated retail value, and they are about a 13-inch strand. Okay, so now we have the lampwork glass oval, and this is a little bit brighter blue, but I think it works really well with like these hematite rounds, and then the shape here and the blue there. Plus it matches some of our drops and things really well. I kind of envisioned this like on a bracelet with some of the butterfly charms, or a crystal teardrop by the Clasp. It's just an accent. Maybe I'll have to make that bracelet. That sounds fun. And I like the way the shape kind of goes with our crystal ovals over here. Plus, look at the color. That color just, I don't know. I love lampwork glass. I love all those little blue flecks. It's just like, I don't know, it's mesmerizing to me. It's really, really pretty. And that's about a $4.99 retail value. All right, next is number 9, and that's going to be our 10-piece tulip bud glass beads in violet blue. These are about a $1.99 retail value. And I really like the sort of ombre mix of blue and purple here. They just are such a fun accent. They pull in those quartz nuggets and bring a little bit of spring, which is kind of what we're trying to do with this box, is get a little bit ready for spring with this sort of mystical color palette. It's kind of magic. It's kind of, I think spring is magic. The world coming back to life after the cold winter. And yeah, I love those little flowers. Just super cute. Speaking of super cute little flowers, our next item is just these teeny tiny little glass flower drops in this pretty tanzanite color. So they're a glass rhinestone is what the factory calls them. So basically they're an off-brand crystal, but they are very, very pretty and sparkly. Look at that. And I just thought they'd make super sweet little earring drops, or put them on a jump ring and make like a little cluster at the clasp, or honestly next to the barrel in the middle of a bracelet. It's just a really sweet little accent. I kind of found a lot of sweet little accents this month and went slightly overboard maybe. We have 21 packs this month, which is honestly a lot, but there were a lot of things I just couldn't say no to, and those are one of them. All right, next up, I almost always put bicones in because I know that we have some bead weavers they're useful for, and they're just a really nice spacer shape. I like this lighter blue, kind of pulls in some of the purpley blue tones, and I think it's a nice accent. So these are a light sapphire AB, about 10 inches in a $2.99 estimated retail value. All right. So these are fun. These are they have like this cool embossed pattern on the back, which translates into almost like a starburst type look on the front. Again, these just kind of make me think like a little bit magical feeling, a little bit of that fantastic element that we're looking for in this box. Plus they pull in both the dark and the light blue. I think the teardrop shape echoes are focal here pretty nicely. And I'm just really obsessed with that dark blue. Teeny tiny teardrops. Because of their fancy shape, they are about a $2.99 retail value. All right. Next, we have 2 pieces of little tiny enameled butterfly charms. These are like printed and then enameled, which are way too cute. They've got this great cornflower blue color, but they also have deeper blues that match like this bead perfectly and pull in some of the darker blues too. I just thought they were sweet, and again, kind of spring. I don't know about y'all, but with the winter weather forecast and everything, I'm looking forward to spring. February is always, it's a cozy month, but it's a long gray month here in Tennessee, and we get so much rain, and it always seems to snow in February, even just a little bit, which is interesting, and it has its place, but I'm ready for warm weather. Just got to get through tornado season first. Whew. All right, in the meantime, we have this pretty filigree floral pendant. It looks like a cross-section of almost like a lotus seed pod to me. It's about $1.49 retail value, and it's so detailed. I love that cutout. It is filigree, so it's pretty thin, but it's sturdy and it bends back. It's hard to it doesn't just bend in half there. It's got some give to it, which I like. And then at a $2.49 retail value, we have a 4-piece set of matching floral links. And I think these would be really cute to go together and make, like a little chain or necklace. Yeah, just with some accents. I thought they were sweet and coordinated well. And I really like the, again, sort of magical sort of feel with this piece too. This is, again, one of the very early pieces that I found for this box. I love it. I like the way it kind of has a cutout right up at top. I've seen people do some really neat things with these in the Creative Corner group. I've been very impressed with the creativity. Some people have enameled it. Some people have added like fringe to the bottom. I know at least one person has used it, like taken the bail off the pendant and strung the pendant through it to make a focal. Just lots of really interesting, you always make such cool things. And sometimes it's an idea I've had, and other times I'm like, or like something I thought of when I was putting this box together. And other times I'm just like, wow, I would never have thought of that, but I love it. So I've been really enjoying seeing the creative uses for this piece. It is about a $2.99 retail value there. And I love the pattern and the 2 top loops. It's just fun. Next, we have some charms. These are lead-free and cadmium-free. And you get 10 grams, which is a pretty decent number of pieces here. It looks like about 12, although yours may vary slightly as this is based on weight and not piece count. And these I thought were cute because they are double-sided. You've got like those little lotus flowers almost on a crescent moon. They just, I don't know, they spoke to me. And I could not leave them there. So I think they also go nicely with these filigree type pieces, and also just kind of pull in that like slightly magical, slightly floral feeling that we're going for this month. They're just fun. All right, next up is our chain. Oh, nope, I got myself out of order. Next up are our bead caps. My apologies, number 18. These are 10 pieces, and they are labeled as a bead cap, but I think they work more as almost like a figural drop. You absolutely can use them as a bead cap for something like the little crystals if you want to. They also would look interesting sitting on top of like a 6mm bead, but I think they look really cute as like drops. If you put like an eye pin in there, and then you can make like a little cluster pendant with the crystals or the teeny tiny little crystal drops. They're also just really pretty in their own right as beads. You do get 10 pieces, and they're about a $2.99 retail value there. I also just like the overall shape of these and the designs on the outside. I feel like they pull in like that filigree feeling as well. All right, next up is our spacer beads. I always try to include some kind of spacer. These are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. They're a $2.99 retail value. And They are double-sided little flowers. They're nice size here, that 7mm. I feel like that's a pretty useful, like you can use it. It's not too big to use with 6mm, not too small to use with 8mm. And they just, again, pull in that floral feel. I really like these. And spacer beads are one of those things I always get sticker shock when I go to the craft store or bead store. I'm just like, oh goodness. So anytime I can grab some and include them, I will do that. Okay, so next we have our clasp, and this is a platinum plated brass, and it's just, I love that 3D flower look. This was also one of the first things I picked out. I ended up going with kind of a mix of bright silver and antique silver in this box, and I think it coordinates pretty well, but it's not something I usually do. However, I just fell in love with this piece. And it comes held together by a jump ring, which is common for high quality clasps. Make sure that you get the same number of bars and toggles. And you're just meant to open that jump ring and pull it apart when you're ready to use it. Very cute. It's about a $2.99 retail value. And just that 3D flower. I'm going to show you the back of it here. And this is what the back of this clasp looks like. It's just so well made. I was very impressed with the quality of that piece. And I fell in love with the flower. Had to have it. Okay, finally, our chain. This is a lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, silver-finished Figaro chain. So you've got different size links here. You've got larger and smaller. I really liked that combination. It's kind of a larger chain, but we have some kind of larger beads this month with those nuggets and such. So trying to account for that in the chain I chose. Again, I typically don't mix the lighter and darker silver, but I wanted to try something new this month. And I feel like this chain looks nice and bright with like our focal here. And it also pulls in that clasp and some of the other colors, while the dark silver just provides sort of a nice contrast with it. So lots of fun. Chain is another thing that I always, when I find a good deal on it, I'll grab some. This is about a $3.99 retail value, but some stores charge a lot more than that too for chain, so you never know. I always try to aim low with the estimates too. Or sometimes the factory provides them. All right. That is all 21 items that are in our February Floral Fantasy collection. I hope that you're enjoying it. If you're a subscriber, you got all 21 packages for just $22.99 with free shipping in the U.S. If you're not a member and you would like to join, we are currently accepting new memberships for March. So if you join now at bargainbeadbox.com, your first shipment will be on its way by March 10th. Now, we do have a few of these left over, available at our sister store, beadboxbargains.com. So if you missed out, you can feel free to grab one there. They'll be available while supplies last. Another thing to note, our Bargain Bead Box members do get a 30% off coupon code to spend at Bead Box Bargains every month. So if you're a current member and you want to get more Floral Fantasy items, make sure you remember to use your code. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. Thank you to our members for making every month possible. I hope you've enjoyed the Floral Fantasy collection, if I can talk, Floral Fantasy collection. And I am so enjoying seeing all of your creations at our Facebook group, the Bargain Bead Box Creative Corner. If you're not already a member, check it out. So many amazing design ideas and a really awesome community. Thanks again, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. And as always, happy beading.